Question 1. How many years are there in a century? Your options are A. 25 years, B. 100 years, C. 50 years, D. 75 years. Correct answer is 100 years. Question 2. Which is the hardest substance available on earth? Your options are A. Pearl, B. Coral, C. Stone, D. Diamond. Correct answer is diamond. Question 3. Who is known as the father of our nation? Your options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question 4. Which is the nearest star to the earth? Your options are A. Mars, B. Uranus, C. Sun, D. Jupiter. Correct answer is C. Sun. Question 5. Which is the most sensitive organ in human body? Your options are A. Leg, B. Skin, C. Hand, D. Elbow. Correct answer is skin. Question 6. Which part of the body has all the sense organ? Your options are A. Nose, B. Ear, C. Eyes, D. Head. Correct answer is head. Question 7. Name the animal which sleeps for 6 months. Your options are A. Lion, B. Tiger, C. Black bear, D. Elephant. Correct answer is black bear. Question 8. Which bird has beautiful feathers? Your options are A. Parrot, D. Peacock, C. Sparrow, D. Crow. Correct answer is peacock. Question 9. Which fruit is rich in vitamin C? Your options are A. Apple, B. Guava, C. Grapes, D. Orange. Correct answer is orange. Question 10. Which wild animal has black and yellow stripes on its body? Your options are A. Zebra, B. Elephant, C. Tiger, D. Giraffe. Correct answer is tiger.